Hello everyone, I am Skelet. Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to draw a girl's face outline using the Loomis Method. The Loomis Method is an excellent technique that can help you create accurate and well-proportioned facial features. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. Step 1. Start by drawing a basic circle to form the head. Step 2. Add a vertical line through the center of the circle to indicate the face's central axis. Step 3. Divide the circle in half, both horizontally and vertically. The horizontal line will guide the placement of the eyes, while the vertical line helps position the nose and mouth. Step 4. Draw a horizontal line slightly below the circle's center to represent the bottom of the nose. Step 5. Sketch a smaller circle just below the horizontal line to create the nose's general shape. Step 6. Along the horizontal line, draw the eyes, ensuring they are spaced about 1 eye width apart. Step 7. Add eyebrows just above the eyes, following the curvature of the upper eyelids. Step 8. Position the lips along the vertical line, centered below the nose. The mouth's width should be approximately equal to the distance between the pupils. Step 9. Draw a line from the bottom of the nose to the chin, outlining the front plane of the face. Step 10. Complete the jaw and chin, connecting them to the bottom of the head circle. Congratulations! You've successfully completed drawing a girl's face outline using the Loomis Method. The Loomis Method offers a solid foundation for capturing realistic facial proportions. Remember, art is all about practice and exploration, so keep honing your skills and experimenting with different techniques. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more art tutorials. Feel free to share your creations in the comments below, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy drawing!